Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT and ChatGPT interface and some setting. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. I'm going to open my browser and here go to ChatGPT. So this is our ChatGPT website. So you can see in here message ChatGPT. You need to write prompt in here, or you can select any of these. Create a ChatGPT starter guide. If I click on this, you can see in here. So it's explain how to get the most out of ChatGPT. So you can see all of this in here. If I click on this, I'm going to stop this generation. So I'm going to stop this for generate. So you can see our text generation is stopped. In here, you can go to setting, or you can go to upgrade plan, or you can log out your current account, or you can customize ChatGPT or my GPTs. But before this, I'm going to write a message again in another tab so you can easily understand. I'm going to click on new chat. You can see in here today we are creating these two, maximizing ChatGPT and wedding plus. You can see in here if you select this one. So you can see in here this is your history basically. So in my GPTs, if I click on this, you can see all of this. So I'm click on go back, click on ChatGPT, and then customize ChatGPT. You can customize your ChatGPT, custom instruction of what would you like ChatGPT to know about you, provide better response, or how you do like ChatGPT to respond. You can write this for more better result in your search. So I'm going to click on cancel. If you want to add, you can add this. Or in settings, you can customize your setting in ChatGPT, like the general personalized speech data controls. You can see all in here. You can also change your theme like this, or you can select your language. There are many languages available. You can navigate all of these to know better which one is perfect for you. I'm going to close this one. And here you can also use ChatGPT Plus if you want to buy ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT 4. If I click on this, now you can see we need to buy this. So I'm going to close this one. And here also you can upgrade your plan from free to purchase. So guys, this is our interface in ChatGPT and how you can use this. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.